4-pack Harry's German 5-blade cartridges razor refills precision trimmer flex high. Harry's razor cartridges for men have all the features you need for a clean and close shave. The 5-blade razor cartridge features sharp blades, manufactured in their own German factory. Harry's razor blades are sharp and feature a flex hinge for comfortable movement over facial contours, a precision trimmer to help you shape facial hair and remove stubble in hard-to-reach places, and a lubricating strip. Top reviews from the United States. Great brand and razors. I have used Harry's razors for a while now and I love the fact that they don't irritate my skin and the moisturizing strip actually helps. Great for sensitive skin and the blades last a long time.